Welcome to the Brokeree Social Trading Providers portal. In this video, we will guide you through the various features and functions of this platform. Step 1. Open your web browser. Step 2. Enter your Brokeree Social Trading Portal login link. Step 3. Enter your username and password, which are the same as your MetaTrader login credentials, and click on Login. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the homepage. Here, you can see important metrics related to your provider account. You'll also notice 4 tabs at the top: My Providers, My Accounts, Transaction History, and Ratings. Click on the My Provider tab to access your provider-specific information. Here, you can view your nickname, trading account details, strategy mode, equity, and your registration date. Click on your nickname to access more detailed information about your provider account. In this section, you can access common account information, review your subscription conditions, manage your subscriptions, check positions, view recent deals, and assess your fees. Within the Offers section, you can explore the offers you have created. Here, you can see your performance fee, public agents, additional agents, and offer join links. Switch to the My Accounts tab to review your trading account information. In this section, you can view your trading account's name, number, balance, and equity. Navigate to the Transaction History tab to access your fee payment records. Here, you can see a detailed list of fee payments associated with your account. Finally, click on the Ratings tab to explore the performance of providers on Brokeree Social Trading. In the Ratings section, you can find comprehensive lists of providers and their respective trading performances within the Brokeree Social Trading platform. That's a wrap on the brief overview of the Brokeree Social Trading Providers portal. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your social trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!